Let's be honest, one of the biggest struggles with AI-generated videos is creating consistent characters across multiple scenes. It's like you've got it figured out for one frame, and then in the next, your character looks like they've stepped out of a different story. Frustrating, right? With AI tools like Hailuo Minimax leading the way, storytelling through AI videos has never been more exciting. But when it comes to crafting multiple characters that stay consistent throughout your scenes, it's still a tricky challenge. Most of us end up using workarounds like creating characters separately, piecing them together on a background, and just calling it good enough. Yeah, it gets the job done, but what if there was a better way? In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to create multiple consistent video characters using Hailuo AI Minimax. From generating characters that stay true to their design across scenes to bringing them to life with smooth animations, I'll show you exactly how to make it all come together. The process isn't perfect, but with a few tricks you can achieve some seriously impressive results. Oh, if you're ready to level up your AI video game, let's jump right in. ChatGPT is like having a creative partner who never runs out of ideas. Grab a pen and paper, or better yet, let ChatGPT handle the heavy lifting for you. Start by thinking about a favorite story you've always wanted to tell. Got one? Great. If not, let ChatGPT generate an amazing story for you. It's super easy. Let's say we want a story about an epic adventure titled Galactic Reckoning, Quantum Rebellion. This story will feature two characters, Caroline and James. When using ChatGPT for storytelling, one golden rule is crucial. Always include character names and descriptions in the script. Why? Because this ensures your characters stay consistent throughout the entire narrative. Here's how it works. Simply tell ChatGPT what you need, and in seconds, it'll deliver a fast and detailed story featuring your characters. But here's the thing. While ChatGPT creates the story, it's up to you to define the character's traits. This ensures they stay consistent in every scene. Let's dive into how you can do this step by step. Before we continue, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. These small actions help me create more detailed tutorials like this one. Once you have your story, the next step is creating a full description for each character. This step is essential because it adds depth and consistency to your script. For example, let's describe Caroline and James in detail. Caroline, she has flowing auburn hair, sharp green eyes, and an adventurous spirit. She's always dressed in futuristic gear, perfect for her role as a quantum physicist. James, he's tall, athletic, with piercing blue eyes and a calm demeanor. His dark hair and minimalist style give him a mysterious edge. Now, how do you generate these descriptions? I've got two simple methods for you. Use ChatGPT. I've created a simple prompt for this purpose, and it's linked in the description below. When using the prompt, be specific. Include details like physical appearance, hair color, skin tone, body type, and facial features, clothing and accessories, what they wear and standout details, personality and role, what makes them unique, what are their strengths. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT and you'll instantly get detailed descriptions of your characters. To ensure consistency across your script, save these descriptions for later. They'll be invaluable for keeping Caroline and James aligned with your story. Alternatively, search for pre-made 3D animated PNG characters online. Google has a treasure trove of options. Look for characters with white backgrounds to make editing easier. Once you find the ones you like, download and rename them based on your characters. For example, save one as Caroline. Save another as James. Next, upload the images and tell ChatGPT, "This is Caroline. Use this image to create her description." This approach ensures that your visuals match the narrative seamlessly. Consistency is key when working with multiple characters. Here's how to achieve it. Start by asking ChatGPT to generate a single, comprehensive prompt for each character. For example, generate a consistent prompt for Caroline, including her physical appearance, personality traits, and role in the story. Repeat this for James. Now, take it a step further by asking ChatGPT to remember these descriptions. Here's how. Copy Caroline's description and paste it into a prompt that says, "Whenever Caroline appears, include the following details." Repeat the process for James. This ensures that whenever these characters show up in a scene, they're described exactly the same way, keeping your story coherent and engaging. With your characters ready, it's time to generate scenes for your video. Here's how. Copy a section of your story and paste it into ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to incorporate Caroline and James's descriptions into the scene. For example, if Caroline is navigating a futuristic cityscape, ChatGPT will add details about her outfit, demeanor, and actions, making the scene vivid and immersive. Now let's bring the story to life using Minimax AI. When you land on the Minimax page, it might be in Chinese. Don't panic. Switch to English by clicking the language box in the corner. Here's what to do next. Choose the AI video option. Paste your scene prompt and make minor edits to clean it up. Turn off this button that might modify your characters. Hit the generate button. Minimax AI will start creating the scene. It may take some time, so be patient. You can grab a cup of coffee while we wait. I will go ahead to generate the second scene with the same method, and the third scene will also be added following the same process. Wow, guys! I told you, look at Caroline and James in action. Their movements are smooth, their features are consistent, and the overall accuracy is impressive, almost 90%, although it's not the best, but the overall results looks impressive. With this method, you can create a 3D animation with simple steps, and you will achieve a very good result. Now, we are going to take this challenge. Let's test the prompt with another AI tool, Microsoft Designer and Leonardo AI, which is free. Now I will go ahead and paste in the prompt of the first scene and hit generate button. Let go to Leonardo AI and repeat the same process and check for the results. The first image, generated by Microsoft Designer, presents a dramatic and stylized look, focusing heavily on the characters with vibrant colors and cinematic lighting. It feels like a poster or cover art, emphasizing emotion and intensity. On the other hand, the second image, made by Leonardo AI, leans toward realism. It places the characters in a functional setting, telling a broader story through their actions and environment. While the first is bold and artistic, the second is grounded and immersive, perfect for showcasing a scene in motion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.